Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever and I am so excited to show you how to make this cute pencil pouch which has a star on it, a zipper, and two compartments, 1, 2, which can carry all your essentials for school or any other purposes. Let's get started. You will need 2 different colors of yarn, or you can just use one, and a crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter. You can use any hook which fits your yarn, a pair of scissors, a needle, and a zipper. To start off, you're going to need to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, cross over your yarn just like this. Bring one end of the yarn behind the loop and pull that yarn through the loop. As you can see, I am kind of struggling, but I'm pretty sure that you can do it very easily. And tighten it just like that. So we are going to make 40 chains, and I will show you how to make a chain. So insert your hook into the loop and tighten it just as much as you would want to. And first yarn over and pull through the loop. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. You're going to need to repeat this 40 times until you have 40 chains. So I have done 40 chains, but I've also done 38 half double crochets. If you want to see how to do the half double crochets, please skip to 2 minutes and 46 seconds. You must do 31 more rows to have 32 rows in total, and when you're done, it will look something like this. Now we're going to make the divider, which will give us 2 separate compartments. So to start, you must do 40 chains just like how you start at the base, and then we're going to do the half double crochet. To do the half double crochet, you should first skip 2 of the chains and do it in the 3rd chain from your hook. When you have 3 loops on your hook, you should pull through all 3 of them, and continue this until you have 38, and you should do 13 rows in total, and when you're done, it will look something like this. We are going to attach the divider to the base. So first find the middle by folding it in half. This is my middle. It might be different from yours. And now take your divider and keep it on the base. We're going to join it using the slip stitch. To do the slip stitch, first poke the crochet hook through the divider and the base. Take your yarn and pull it through the divider and the base. Now you'll have a little loop. Now go into the space right next to it and yarn over and pull through the first loop that we made, and keep repeating this process until you have finished from all the way from the start till the bottom. Since if you have any confusion, I'm just showing it to you from the back as well, just in case anyone is a little confused. Okay, so I have finished attaching the divider to the base, and it will look something like this. It's a little floppy now, but don't worry, we're going to fix it from the sides, and then it will become nice and sturdy. So take your other color, or if you're using the same color, take the same color, and we're going to join it using the single crochet. Take your yarn and poke it through the three pieces. Take your yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops and pull through all 2 loops. Now insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through all 2 loops. Now I have finished and I have done both sides, and this is what it looks like. See, it is a lot less floppier than before, and it looks a lot more like a pouch now. Now we're going to attach the zipper onto the pouch. First, take your needle and thread, and we're just going to use the running stitch to make lines on both sides of the zipper. So all you have to do is go up, then go down, go up, and go down. And you should repeat this on both sides until you've finished it. Okay, so I have finished doing the running stitch on both sides. Now we're going to attach it to our pouch. So insert your hook into the side of the pouch. Take your yarn, yarn over and pull through, and insert your hook into the space right next to where you just inserted it. Now we are going to do single crochets onto the running stitches that we made. Please make sure that you do 2 running stitches, that you do 2 single crochets per running stitch, and please make sure that your running stitches are nice and secure, or else the zipper will be floppy and it won't sit properly. And do this on both sides until it looks like this. Our pouch is almost done, but I'm going to add an optional step which you don't have to do if you don't want to. I'm going to make a star and attach it on the side, but our pouch is almost done. To make a star, we are going to make a magic circle. To make a magic circle, you should do a cross under the 2 fingers and 2 lines above the 2 fingers. Take your hook and go under one of the lines and twist the other line 360 and do 1 chain and pull it nice and tight. This is a magic circle, and you can adjust the width, you can adjust how big your loop is by pulling on the bigger string. And we're going to be doing all our stitches into this magic circle. So first do 2 chains, and next we're going to do 15 half double crochets. And doing a half double crochet in a magic circle is just the normal way you do it. Just make sure that the smaller string is on the left side at all times so that we can pull it all together. Now do this all around. Okay, so I have finished doing 15 half double crochets into the magic ring. Now we're going to pull the loop together so that we get a circle. So pull the string, but please do not pull too hard or else the thread will snap and it's going to be a total mess. But pull it really tightly, but not too tight, and then ta-da, we get a circle. Well, almost. We're going to make the circle by connecting it using a slip stitch. Now pull it tight and make 5 chains. And from this into the second chain from your hook, make a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, make a half double crochet, and in the next one make a double crochet, which is the same as a half double crochet, except that you pull through the first 2 loops, then the next 2 loops, and then make a treble crochet where you yarn over twice, go into the stitch and pull through the first 2 loops, the next 2 loops, and the last 2 loops. Now make a slip knot into the third half double crochet, from your hook, and pull it nice and tight. You're gonna want to repeat this 4 times so that we have 5 points on our star. And here is our star, and all we have to do now is attach it to the pouch, and we're going to attach it using the running stitch. So pull your yarn through the eye of your needle, and as you can see, again, I am kind of struggling, but I'm pretty sure that you can do it really easily. Just don't hurt yourself with your needle, please. And now use the running stitch and go through all 5 points, and make sure that each point is secured onto the pouch. But please make sure that you don't also stitch through the compartments we made. Just stitch through the first layer. Yeah, so do it on all 5 points, and then you'll be done. And ta-da, we're done with our pouch. It looks adorable, has a star, 2 compartments. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.